if you want to know how it's feeling there, then you have to come here. And if you want to come here, then you have to love to nature, then you can come here. Otherwise you cannot come here, because this distance is very long, very long. Yeah, you cannot come here. Only one way to reach here. You love nature, you start to love nature, then you will automatically come here and come this type of palace. I never forget this moment, because this moment is mind blowing, yaar. You cannot believe on me. What getting happiness to me this time, because I have reached at the Kargil highest peak point of Guwahati, highest peak point. This mountain range is a lots of highest, a lots of highest. You cannot believe. You can see all mountains is looking from here. Below of this mountain, I have reached around 3000 feet. Then I show you this background. What a background. Can you guess what is this? This is a cricket stadium. Guys, this is a cricket stadium. Mind blowing. What the crow is flying there. You cannot see. Crow want to know who am I. This crow is asking to me, who are you? And I don't have word to define me in front of crow. What a comedy, yaar. Yes, I run always early morning 8 to 10 kilometers. But today I have run about 19 to 21 kilometers from one side, and I have to go back same distance. I mean, I have reached here after moving 21 kilometers. Then I want to go back. Then I have to move around 21 kilometers. Then I will reach at my hotels. बल्ले 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 बल्ले, ऐसी जगहों पे आके बस बल्ले बल्ले ही कह सकते हैं अपन. दूसरा तो मौज है भाई. रोज उठे और चल दिए वहीं रोटी कमाने. ऑफिस गए, बैग रखे, वहीं काम. फिर शाम हुई, रात हुई, थके हारे आए, सो गए. फिर सुबह उठे, चल दिए रोटी कमाने. अरे उसके अलावे भी ज़िंदगी में बहुत कुछ है दोस्त. आइए, नेचर में आइए, पहाड़ों पे चढ़िए, क्लाइंबिंग कीजिए, ट्रैकिंग करो. देन यू विल फाइंड अ लॉट्स ऑफ new things, and you cannot believe. It's for me unbelievable, because this moment is great, very great. I cannot tell you for how is feeling here. I cannot define you. Yes, this is Guwahati. Right now I am standing on the highest peak point of Guwahati mountain range. This mountain range name is Kargil viewpoint. Kargil highest viewpoint. You can see this side totally is a forest, and back side of me you can see around this is a cricket stadium, and a lots of mountain. So mountain, I always love a lot to nature, and I like nature. I want to run in nature. I love a lot, and I am feeling S1 after reached this point. What a view! This is getting sunrise. You can see from this side. This is the east side of Guwahati. This is getting sunrise, but right now getting 6:30 a.m. and view is too good, too mind blowing. I cannot tell you how I am feeling here. If I will tell you, then I don't have word to define this culture and this moment. I cannot tell you because I don't have word to define this palace, this feeling, this weather. What a weather! You can see here. What a weather! Uh, Getting some cold airs from nature and lots of clouds there. You can see. This is like shadow. जैसे हम चलते हैं धूप में हमारी छाया बनी रहती है धरती पे, वैसे lots of clouds. You can see कि वो मतलब गुवाहाटी सिटी के ऊपर एकदम. Good morning guys. I have reached here early morning. Guys, you cannot believe that. You want to know this palace name, then I also want to tell you this is a Assam, and if I tell you deeply and about exact location, then I tell you this is a Kargil viewpoint of Guwahati. This is a name, Kargil viewpoint. It's not a Kargil, Jammu Kashmir wala. It's a name of this palace. This mountain is highest. This mountain belong highest viewpoint of Guwahati. Highest peak point of Guwahati.